Welcome. In this video we will try to design a water level sensor using ESP32. So we will be using a ultrasonic sensor, a relay and 3 LEDs. So we will be using one LED to detect that the water level is very low, that will be low LED, and one LED we will use to detect that the water level in the tank is high, and the third LED we will be using to indicate the motor, because motor is not available here, so we will be using that third LED to indicate the motor. So as you can see, the low LED is connected to pin number 23, high LED is connected to pin number 19, and this motor LED is connected, the motor pin is connected to pin 27 of ESP32. We are using ESP32 for this project. So in this, let us first try to understand the code. So we have given a water level as integer and its value is initialized to 0. So we will indicate first the pin modes. So all the LEDs will be indicated as the output pins, and we will be using the trigger pin and the echo pin for the ultrasonic sensor. So the trigger pin will send the trigger pulse and echo pin will detect that pulse. The ultrasonic sensor is used to find the distance. So if the water level is less than 100, then the LED that denotes the water level is low should glow high, and the high LED will be low or off, and the motor should turn on. And if the water level is greater than 100 or the water level is less than 350, then it means that the water level is neither high nor low. So both the LEDs will be off and the motor will be on in this case, because we will be filling the water tank. And if water level is greater than equal to 350, then it means that our water tank has been filled. So we will switch off the motor and we will turn on the high LED. So this is a simple water level indicator using ESP32 IoT based project. So when the water level is low, then our motor will turn on, and when the water level is high, then the motor should turn off. This is the simple connections. You can see the connections. We are using a relay for driving the motor, and the last LED denotes the motor. So we will simulate the code. So now we will try to increase the distance. So as you can see, when the distance is very low, then the motor has been turned on. The lowest LED denotes that the motor has been turned on. It is blinking, so it is working like a motor. And the upper LED is on, so it denotes that the water level is low. So now we will stop the simulation. So as you can see, when the water level is less than 100, then low LED should be turned on and high LED should be low. So as we increase the distance, so we will increase the distance. So as you can see, when the distance is more than 100, then the low LED has turned off. So it indicates that the water level is no longer low, but the motor is still running. So the motor will stop only when the water level reaches 350 or when our tank is full. So we are having a threshold of 350, which denotes that the tank is full. So again, when we increase the distance, so as you can see, when the distance has been increased to 350, then the motor is off and the high LED has turned on. So it indicates that the high LED has on. Now when we decrease the distance, then the motor will not turn on. Motor will turn on only when the distance goes below 100, because then we know that we need to start filling the water tank. So because if we again and again turn on the motor, then it may also destroy the motor. So we will start the motor only when the distance is more than 100. So as you can see, our code is working very accurately, and also the motor has been turned on when required. So this is a very good water level indicator project. We are simulating this project using Vocvi software. We can also design it in hardware. So when we design in hardware, then we will be using a real motor. Here we are using the LED to denote that motor. So thank you. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. And I have made more videos based on IoT. So if you have any doubt, you can post your comment in the comment box related to any doubt related to any IoT project or hardware. Thank you. And please like, share and subscribe the channel also.